Welcome back. So I'm just doing a quick coding or quick instruction on how to code the active turn lights on the Smart. Obviously, what you will need to have the fog lights installed and the correct wiring harness. I do have a video on installing that onto the Smart for 4 and the for 2 if you so need it. Obviously, you will also need the DDT4ALL software. Again, if you're not sure how to use it, I do have an installation guide and a basic how-to guide. So, let's get this started. Okay, as always, skipping forward a couple of minutes because it takes a couple of seconds for that to scan. What you need to do, second box, scan down to EMM Edison, give that a click. So in the third box, what you need to do is scroll down to EMM Cornering, just expand that, and you need to go to EMM Configuration. So we'll click on that. Obviously the main screen will populate. And what you go, top one there where it says MBX Cornering CF. So obviously where it says read and write, it's on 0 and 0. As always, all you need to do, click up on the top there, set it to 1. I'm not going to do it because unfortunately I still don't have the harness connected in my car. But all you do is change that 0 there to a 1. Head up to Einstein. Click on expert mode and then hit the top send there. Obviously it will load up at the bottom, and then that is that complete. Now there's a couple of small if you have a couple of issues with it not working, if you've coded it as I've just shown you, it doesn't work. To start with, disconnect your negative lead off your battery for 5 minutes and then put it back on. That should resolve it. Also, if you then test the lights and the lights are the wrong way, so when you turn left it goes right and so on, then what you need to do on the wiring harness going into obviously into the bumper, there's the pink and the blue cables, which are the sort of top right on their own cables. You need to swap them round. So the easiest thing to do with that is to cut the wire and then swap the wire over, solder them back together, and then use decent heat shrink and that to waterproof that, and that will resolve that issue. Obviously, as always, I hope the video was helpful. Please like, please subscribe. Any other videos that you need, any questions, comments, queries, complaints, drop a message in the comments section and I will get back to you as soon as possible. But as always, thank you very much for watching and I will see you in the next one.